What if I told you that a man recently spent an astonishing 100 days living underwater? That's right, not just a few hours or a couple of days, but over 3 months submerged in the depths of the ocean. Welcome back to Nautical Depths. In today's video, we have an incredible tale that will leave you in shock. This is a mind-boggling world record set by a man who accomplished the unimaginable, living underwater for 100 days straight. Joseph Dituri, also known as Dr. Deepsea, a professor at a Florida university, had successfully completed an astounding 73-day stay at Jules Undersea Lodge by May 13th. This remarkable achievement surpassed the previous record of 73 days set by 2 other professors back in 2014. Determined to push the limits even further, Dituri planned to extend his underwater stay to an impressive 100 days. After breaking the record, Dituri took to Twitter to express his passion for discovery, stating, "The curiosity for discovery has led me here. My goal from day one has been to inspire generations to come, interview scientists who study life undersea, and learn how the human body functions in extreme environments." Jules Undersea Lodge, situated at the bottom of a 30-foot lagoon in Key Largo, Florida, was Dituri's underwater home during this groundbreaking feat. Joseph Dituri, a 55-year-old adventurer, didn't just seek to break records with his aquatic journey. His mission spanned a remarkable 100 days and combined medical testing with ocean research. The overarching goal was to unravel the impact of underwater living on human health and explore the ocean's potential in disease treatment. This man tried to pave the way for the upcoming generation by conveying a message to interact with aquatic life. You might imagine yourself in Dituri's place. Dituri wasn't alone in this project. The Marine Resources Development Foundation, which owns the laboratory, had orchestrated Dituri's mission, aptly named Project Neptune. This venture entailed daily physiological experiments, with a medical team regularly diving into Dituri's habitat to conduct tests monitoring his bodily response to prolonged exposure to extreme pressure. The comprehensive examinations involved the collection of blood, urine, and saliva samples, as well as the use of electrocardiograms to monitor his heart and electroencephalograms to study his brain. Pulmonary function exams were also conducted. Furthermore, Dituri underwent psychological and psychosocial tests, enabling experts to analyze the effects of long-term confinement in an isolated environment. In addition to his groundbreaking research, Dituri continues to teach online classes to students worldwide, including his biomedical engineering courses at the University of South Florida. His aim is to inspire and encourage more students to pursue careers in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and math, as he firmly believes that there are significant challenges in these areas that require serious solutions. He believes one day his students will break this record. On the 9th of June 2023, his 100-day cycle of staying underwater was completed. After getting surfaced, he seemed perfect as usual and delighted after getting greeted by his friends and family. During Joseph Dituri's underwater journey, an intriguing change occurred as a result of the pressure. He reportedly experienced a reduction in height by ½ an inch, as stated in a press release. Before going underwater, he was 6 feet and 1 inch tall, but now he has lost that extra inch from his height. This physical transformation highlights the significant impact of living under extreme pressure for an extended period. Preliminary findings from Dituri's mission have unveiled other notable changes as well. His sleep quality saw a remarkable improvement, suggesting that the underwater environment may positively affect rest and relaxation. Furthermore, his cholesterol and inflammation levels exhibited drastic improvements, indicating potential benefits to cardiovascular health and reduced inflammation. If this happens to everyone, people suffering from insomnia will start living underwater. Who knows? This could be the possible cure in aquatic habitats. Dituri, along with his medical team, will meticulously analyze the data gathered before, during, and after the underwater mission. This comprehensive examination aims to shed light on the physiological changes and effects of prolonged underwater living. The findings will be presented at the World Extreme Medicine Conference in Scotland, scheduled for November. This global platform will allow experts and researchers to gain valuable insights from Dituri's unique experience and contribute to the broader understanding of extreme environments and their impact on human health. As the analysis and presentation of findings draw near, anticipation grows among the scientific community, eager to unravel the intricacies of underwater living and its potential implications for medical research and exploration. Living underwater requires specific conditions, equipment as well as the solution to certain problems. Being underwater for 100 days requires meticulously designed living space and specialized equipment to ensure survival and comfort. Joseph's underwater habitat at Jules's Undersea Lodge in Key Largo, Florida, provided him with the necessary facilities for this extraordinary feat. The habitat includes sleeping quarters, a workspace, and essential amenities such as food storage and preparation areas, as well as communication systems to stay in touch with the outside world. For such an extended period presents a myriad of challenges for Joseph's physical and mental well-being. One of the critical challenges is maintaining a breathable atmosphere within the habitat. The air circulation systems continuously monitor and adjust the oxygen and carbon dioxide levels to ensure a safe environment for Joseph. Physical health poses another challenge, as prolonged exposure to high pressure can have physiological effects on the body. Living underwater for 100 days undoubtedly presented Joseph with significant mental and psychological challenges. The isolation and confinement of the underwater environment can take a toll on one's mental well-being. The absence of regular social interaction and the constant immersion in a unique environment can lead to feelings of loneliness, boredom, and even claustrophobia. Joseph had to find ways to maintain his mental resilience, establish routines, and engage in activities to combat the potential psychological effects of prolonged underwater living. Being underwater for an extended period can have physical implications on the body. The high water pressure experienced during the stay can affect various physiological processes. For instance, pressure can cause changes in blood circulation and fluid distribution, potentially impacting the cardiovascular system. The prolonged immersion can also lead to bone density and muscle mass changes due to reduced gravity and lack of weight-bearing activities. Additionally, the underwater environment poses challenges in terms of infection control and maintaining a sterile living space. Proper hygiene practices, regular disinfection, and careful handling of equipment were crucial in minimizing the risk of infections and maintaining a healthy living environment. If you are planning to break his record, start taking classes from Joseph Dituri. He will teach you everything. Only a passionate person like Dituri can do this, who is willing to give anything to make such experiments possible. Joseph Dituri's incredible journey serves as a powerful reminder of the human spirit's boundless potential. It inspires us to break free from the confines of comfort and push the limits of what we believe is possible. If you enjoyed this video and found Joseph Dituri's story as awe-inspiring as we did, we invite you to hit the like button and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Nautical Depths for more videos about everything underwater.